Have you ever taken the perfect photo, only to realize the background makes it look messy? Or maybe you need a transparent PNG for your product, YouTube thumbnail, online store, or social media post, but you don't want to spend time cutting everything out by hand. Here's a much easier way. Go to bgremover.com. Click Upload Image and choose your photo. It supports PNG, JPG, JPEG, WebP, and even GIF files. Once your image is uploaded, click Generate. The AI automatically detects your subject and removes the background in just a few seconds. When it's finished, open the preview window. This is my favorite part because you can zoom in and check details like hair, glasses, and other tricky edges before downloading. You can save it as a transparent PNG or choose a white background if that's what you need. If everything looks good, click Download Onwards. I've tested quite a few background removers, and one thing I noticed is that this one keeps fine details much cleaner, especially around hair and complex edges. If you create product photos, YouTube thumbnails, marketing graphics, or social media content, this can save you a lot of editing time. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. I'll be sharing more AI tools that are actually worth using, so don't forget to subscribe.